Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to another edition of HRD 631, the Adult Learner. We are now, well, actually on Monday we start week number 4 or module 4. And I want to welcome you to this, to me, a very exciting portion of the course where we go from many of the ideas of why and how people participate in the different types of education, adult education, and now we're getting into traditional learning theories. I do apologize if some people have had traditional learning theories as part of their undergrad or maybe their grad work already. But what I've found is there's a lot of students that have not had a tremendous amount about traditional learning theories. These theories are a great starting place when you're looking at adult learning theories, and we'll look at adult learning theories in week number 5. So I'll get to week number 4 in a minute. I just wanted to mention week number 3 discussion questions. I've glanced at them. Sometimes I intentionally don't make any comments until a little later on in the week. I'll be making some comments on these probably tomorrow. And rest assured, I do read them, but sometimes I just want to see what happens when I don't even chime in. So keep up the good work. There's some, some really good discussions going on this week, in week number 3. And so let's quickly move to week number 4. I'm going to go to the table of contents. Table of contents, I'm going to come down to week number 4. This week, as I said, we're going to be taking a look at traditional learning theories. And the first thing you'll do is take a look at the overview video that I am recording right now. In week number 4, there's really 2 different areas. The first area that we're going to be studying is traditional learning theories. And many of these, maybe you have taken these in undergrad classes, but they're the behaviorist, humanist, cognitivist, social cognitive, and constructive. So when you look at these and you hear about these are the foundational theories that go into K-12 education, that go into training programs, that go into adult learning theories. And they're really orientation that have had a tremendous influence on current adult education programs and also various adult education or adult learning theories. There's a lot of overlaps, but once we take a look at this, next week we'll get into the adult learning theories, and you'll be able to see some of the roots for the adult learning theories, and they start with these certain traditional learning theories or orientations. Chapter 12, I'd like you to read Chapter 12, and in Chapter 12 we're doing, it's about adult development. When you're studying adults and adult learning, there's a tremendous amount that happens in a person's life as we move from one part of our life to the next, and I won't go into a tremendous amount of detail on that because there's an awful lot of information in chapter number 12. So, these 2 areas, we're going to take the learning process. There's a PDF, and I'll walk you through each one of these, and then chapter 12. Okay, some resources. I have put together a presentation on traditional learning theories and also adult development. I have 3 videos, and these are the learning objectives to week number 4, and then we do have a discussion post, and you can choose, darn it, I missed this. This is incorrect. That doesn't happen till October 3rd. I thought I had it perfect. So disregard that. I'm going to go back and I'll switch that before you get this video. That is due on October 3rd, and we'll more information about that next week. So the materials. I have an introduction, PowerPoint, things to do, learning objectives, something on the exploration project, and what's coming up on October 3rd is just your topic, just your question that's driving it. And then I have an advanced organizer, pretty in-depth advanced organizer for week number 5. So let me just click on the introduction. In here, There's information on each one of the learning orientations, and then Chapter 12. I'm going to go back. Coming down. Sorry to make you dizzy. Week number 4, readings. Now here's where I spell out specifically what I'm asking you to do. This is nothing new because you just saw it. I showed it to you, but sometimes I do put it in this format. And then go back to week 4 materials. And way down at the bottom here, we have a discussion forum. So post and respond to others in one of the questions. If you really want to, you can do both. But one has to do with adult development and the other one has to do with traditional learning theories. So that's really it at this point. You know, what is due is your discussion forum. Next Sunday, I'll talk about what is due with the exploration project, but really what that is just your question that is going to drive your project. So, sorry about the motorcycle, it went by. I'm sitting outside in the beautiful sunshine. Okay, so that is it. Yay, I kept it to 6 minutes and 28 seconds. I won't go longer than that. As of now, all the materials are ready, and if you have any questions during the week on your topic, on the materials, you can't find something, please let me know. I am here to help. So have a great week, everybody, and hopefully you have had a chance to get outside, enjoy the late summer sunshine and warmth, either today or tomorrow, and I'll see everybody online. Goodbye.